stop wasting your money buying Kojic soap. And the funny thing is, a lot of you go and buy the fake one. Most Kojic soaps you buy are fake. Okay, and most nano extra white soaps you buy are fake too, because those soaps are popular and most of them have been pirated by some crude people. And if you are looking to use a Kojic soap that is super active, emphasis on active, then you should be getting this soap. You should be watching this video from beginning to end, because I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about this particular soap. I have used it and I can tell you everything you need to know before you buy it, so you even know if you want to buy it, because some people just want to buy something, they're not even sure if they need it. Okay, so yeah, let's get right into the video. Welcome to our channel and I hope you're doing well. So today, straight to the point, we are going to be talking about this soap. This is Kojic Gluta, PAPAYA and Arbutin soap, made by the same company that made Nano Extra White. Now this soap, I feel this soap is this is an upgraded Nano Extra White. So if you are a user of Nano Extra White, you can use this. Okay, but this is more potent. In my own opinion, this is more potent than Nano Extra White. Why do I say that? Because this one contains more things than Nano Extra White. Okay, now let's look at the ingredients super quick. It contains Arbutin Extra Plus. Okay, it contains vitamin C and E. It contains kojic acid extra. It contains glutathione plus. Okay, I know there are some Nano Extra White that contain glutathione plus, but these ones go extra. This is like, if you have used Nano Extra White before and use this soap, you are going to see the difference. Like, I used this soap, when I got it, I used it the first day, I used it the second day, the third day I ran away. I said no, I will not be using this soap every day. I will not be using it every day. Then I decided to start, spacing it out. I don't use lightening soaps every day, but when I get a new soap, I use it every day and see how it is on the skin. That is how I am able to come and tell you how to use it, because if I don't use it, how will I now know what to tell you? So I get a soap, I use it every day and watch my skin. I come out from the shower, I don't apply my lotion immediately, so I see how it is on my skin. So my dear, this soap is active, in my opinion, more active than Nano Extra White, and it is also drying. Nano Extra White can be drying to the skin. This one also is drying to the skin. Okay, it can be used by all skin types, because for you to buy this soap, you are not looking for moisturization. If you're looking for moisturization, you know the soaps to buy. This is not a moisturizing soap. This is not a hydrating soap. This is a lightening soap, and that is the only thing it does to your skin. Lightening, to lighten your skin, to clear dark spots, to clear dark patches, to even out your skin tone. That is the only thing you should be expecting from this soap. So if you buy a soap like this, or you are currently using a soap like this, please do not use it alone. Get a moisturizing soap to use alongside with it. So this particular soap, I have limited this soap to using it just once to twice a week in my skincare routine, because this soap is actually super active. Like, when I use it on my face, I get this super drying feel on my face. Okay, I have done my face routine video. I think it should be up before this particular video, and I showed how I use this soap on my face. I showed how I use it on my face. I don't just use it like that. So go and watch that video if you have not seen it. I'm going to be putting the thumbnail here, so you know the video I'm actually talking about. Go and see it. So but it is actually very good though, very good. See, the time I bought it, why I bought it is I had a tan on my hand, like my arm here. I went out in the sun, so I got a tan. Okay, for some days I was in the sun, so this place was darker than the inside of my hand. So I got, and I used it 2 days, and the color on my hand blended. I was like, that fast? Yes, I know all these things work, but that fast? So that was when I said no, I'm going to limit the usage of this particular product. Okay, so let me just take you through what they wrote in the pack. They said, seduce the senses with Kojic Gluta PAPAYA Arbutin soap, ever alluring with its mysterious and charming profile. This perfumed soap foams generously when applied in water. Very true. This soap lathers so well. Nano Extra White lathers, but this one lathers a bit more than Nano Extra White. Like, it lathers and it has bubbles. It lathers like that. So it says making a creamy texture for a gentle and luxurious cleanse. Exactly. It has a very rich lather. If you have watched that my face video, you are going to see how the thing was just lathering white on my face. Okay, it said it's made with floral essential oil. It leaves behind a floral and fruity fragrance. Very true. It has a floral fragrance, but a very powerful, how do I put it now, like when I use it on my face, if you are sensitive to perfumes, very, you're going to be feeling some things on your nose. Okay, so here they just talked about how to. So now they said use pour water over body and face, over face and body. Apply the soap to lather rich. This is what I always try to tell you. Lathering method. If you're using all this type of soap and you want to reap the benefit, lather it on your body. If not, you're going to use this soap 4 packs. It will not do anything for you because you're not using it the right way. So apply the cream to your face and your body. That is the lather of the soap. Apply to, followed by massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes. See, it's just like I read this thing months back when I was making all those videos of telling you how to lather. Okay, rinse with clean water. Apply on face. Okay, they say tips: apply on clean and dry skin and massage in circular motion. So if you want to reap the fruit of this soap, if you want this soap to work for you the way it worked for me in 2 days, cleared, helped to blend my skin tone, lather it, use the lathering method. I have a video, this video here, where I explained the lathering method. I demonstrated it for you. Go and watch that video and see lathering method and use it like that. So this product is produced and distributed by DNE65 Thailand CO Limited. I just want, so when you are getting it, okay, you are going to know what exactly you are getting. It is made in Thailand. So if you buy your own, check it, make sure it is made in Thailand. Product of Thailand. Okay, here it has contacts, it has the email, it has the phone number, it has the barcode, it has the net weight. It is 160 gram. Okay, so this is exactly what the soap looks like. So you take a look at it very well. So this is the front. It has a transparent film here. Okay, so when you open it, so the same nylon with nano. Okay, it has this red inscription of DNE. Okay, this one they just wrote it D gold. Okay, and the soap itself is very big, like it's bigger than nano extra white. Okay, this is, I actually cut it in not so half, like this is a bigger part, so it's not like I cut it half. So this is a bigger quantity than the one I cut that I'm presently still using, and it has this demarcation, this white and orange demarcation. Okay, so this is what the soap looks like. It has the D inscription boldly written. Okay, 4-in-1 soap, Kojic soap. So when you are buying your own, please look out for these things. Look out for these things. The pack is not sealed, so before you buy it, if you go to any shop to buy it, so just gently open it and look at it. You can even bring it out and make sure it has the inscription. Just make sure you are buying the original one. Okay, see, if you put know the rate at which pirated products, especially skincare products, are in the market, you pay more attention to the products you are buying. Okay, that's why I'm doing all these things. So the ingredients are written here. Okay, yeah, most of those things are written in this thing, so there's no need actually reading them. So this is it. It says Kojic Gluta Papaya Arbutin Skin Series High Kojic. So that is why I told you from the beginning of this video that if you want to use Kojic soap, if you want to use Kojic in its high percentage, you should get this soap. So I bought it for 1,700. This is October. By the time you are seeing this video, it should be November, so I don't know if it's going to be the same price, but I got this for 1,700, and I think I even got it September. I don't think I got this soap this month. I think I got this soap September for 1,700. Okay, so yeah, that's all I think I want to say about this soap. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll always come through for you, you know that. So if you are dry skin, oil is for any skin type. Once you want to lighten your skin, you can use it. Okay, so it's any skin type can use it, but the thing I need to tell you is that it is a drying soap. It is a drying soap. Okay, it's going to dry out your skin, so make sure to balance it and make sure not to use it every day. Okay, so you really need to watch that my face routine, because I also talked about how I use it on my body. So I won't go into all that in this video so it doesn't get too lengthy and you get bored and click out. All right, so thank you for joining me on today's own. I'm going to see you on these videos right here. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not, share this video to anybody that might need it, and I'm going to see you on our next one. Remain blessed.